Rapid and efficient development means activating pieces early to gain control and mobility. It's not just about moving pieces, but positioning them on active squares to influence the center and prepare coordination. It's one of chess's most fundamental strategic principles. Let's imagine an initial position. While one player wastes his valuable time by moving the same piece repeatedly or making unnecessary pawn pushes, the other precisely develops their knight to f3, controlling the central squares, then their bishop to c4, targeting the vulnerable f7 square, and finally short castling, ensuring the king's safety and connecting the rooks. In just a few moves, all of your pieces become active and ready to coordinate. Rapid development allows you to take the initiative right from the very opening phase. When your pieces come out in harmony, your opponent is forced to react instead of carrying out their own plan. Let's see another typical situation. Following the opening move of e4, Black responds with e5, but then unfortunately delays their crucial development by advancing their flank pawns. White, seeing this, quickly seizes the opportunity, bringing their knight to c3, developing the bishop to g5, placing the queen on d2, and then castling long. In just a handful of precise moves, White's pieces completely dominate the center, and the newly opened files immediately begin to exert significant and relentless pressure. Efficient development transforms a time advantage into a positional advantage. Every active piece you have increases your available options and simultaneously reduces those of your opponent. Practice this crucial principle in every opening phase and always avoid moving the same piece unnecessarily. BlackChess Academy, the best training from